Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to reupholster an Ottoman today. I got this Ottoman from Gumtree for free. It's not looking good. There is a hole on top which looks like a burnt mark. Anyway, I'm going to remove the fabric and reupholster the Ottoman. First, I remove the feet. After that, I remove the stapler pins. There are hundreds of stapler pins to remove. It's structurally good. That means less work. I am going to use this upholstery material. Using the old fabric pieces as templates, I cut the fabric and sew it. Now I staple the fabric to the frame. I always use safety gears when using an air stapler gun, but today I couldn't find my gloves. Otherwise, I would use them with an air stapler gun. After that, I attached the feed back. Ta-da! See the newly upholstered Ottoman. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and remember to press the bell icon.